A wonderful view of the President's bodyguard, and here our chief guest along with the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, the President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. This is the Crown Prince's second visit to our country in less than a year, which of course signifies the close bond between India and the United Arab Emirates.
इंडिया गेट स्थित अमर जवान ज्योति पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का आगमन, इनकी अगवानी करते हुए रक्षा मंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रिकर, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर सुभाष रामराव भामरे, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी अमर जवान ज्योति पर शहीदों को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करेंगे। इस अवसर पर उन्हें सेना के तीनों अंगों द्वारा गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया जाएगा।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will now lay a wreath at the memorial, which will be marked by 2 minutes of silence. Silence when time stands still and hearts beat strong, a silent flame lifts into song, bowing our heads yet pride standing tall, a billion prayers in gratitude call. The silence quietly saying it all.
Adar Senagan! Salamem! Shush! Adar Senagan! Shush! Shush! कच अदर सिरा गार्ड सलामत चुस्त अदर सिरा गार्ड बचाव चुस्त
कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र का अमर जवान के प्रति कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय, श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करने के पश्चात आगंतुक पुस्तिका में अपने विचार लिखते हुए इंडिया गेट पर आयोजित समारोह का एक ऐतिहासिक संकलन है।
The buglers sounding the rouse, the guard commander ordering salami shastra or salute with arms, marking the completion of the 2-minute silence. The Prime Minister signing the ceremonial book, penning his thoughts and feelings, pride and solemn tribute. When duty beckons, the rest of the world ceases to matter. The ability to offer oneself, surrendering desire, dropping all doubt and conquering all fear, that's what makes our men and women in uniform so special. And as the Prime Minister leaves India Gate after the wreath-laying ceremony and moves towards the saluting base at Rajpath, he carries with him the emotions of a nation that acknowledges in gratitude those who laid the foundations of a deep and pride-inspiring past for a present that holds the strong promise for an equitable and bright future for the nation.
अमर जवानों के बलिदान को याद करते हुए कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र की ओर से प्रधानमंत्री ने शहीद सैनिकों को पुष्पांजलि अर्पित की। हम घरों में चैन से सोते हैं क्योंकि हमारे वीर जवान देश की रक्षा में जागते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री इंडिया गेट से प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं राजपथ की ओर। और इधर राष्ट्रपति भवन से माननीय राष्ट्रपति प्रणब मुखर्जी और उनके साथ आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि अबू धाबी के युवराज प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं राजपथ की ओर। ऐतिहासिक राष्ट्रपति भवन का ये प्रांगण
वायुसेनाध्यक्ष, नौसेनाध्यक्ष और अब थल सेनाध्यक्ष और इसके पश्चात माननीय रक्षा राज्य मंत्री और रक्षा मंत्री यहां से प्रस्थान करेंगे मुख्य सलामी स्थल के। लगभग
राजपथ
राजपथ और उससे भी आगे तक उपस्थित
भले ही धूप निकले या बादल छाए या कोहरा आए या तापमान कितना भी गिर जाए, हर वर्ष गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह की छटा निराली होती है।
और ओसीपी लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल उज्ज्वल उपाध्याय के नेतृत्व में विस्तृत व्यवस्था की गई है और स्वतंत्र भारत
Very cheerful faces and smiling young people. And meantime, we've had the Defence Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, returning from India Gate, and also Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bhamre, Minister of State for Defence. The three service chiefs coming in one by one: General Bipin Rawat, Admiral Sunil Lamba, and Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanoya. Now they'll soon be receiving Prime Minister Modi in a while from now. And even now, our minds reverberating with images of that poignant ceremonial for the Amar Jawan.
I am an unknown soldier.
The Prime Minister,
On whose bed list also
now returning after paying homage to the immortal soldier, moments where time stood still in reverence and remembrance to the fallen heroes. The entire entourage now of cars and vehicles moving steadily towards us here at Rajpath.
We're a grateful nation paying tribute to the martyrs who gave their yesterday such that we have a better today. Men who sacrificed their lives in the highest
पहले गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह का आयोजन इरविन स्टेडियम में किया गया था, जिसे हम अब मेजर ध्यानचंद स्टेडियम के नाम से जानते हैं। और यहाँ राजपथ पर रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर का आगमन, उनकी अगवानी की रक्षा राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर सुभाष रामराव भामरे ने।
The Prime Minister now returning from India Gate, his cavalcade of gleaming black vehicles slowly driving towards the saluting base at Rajpath, and a cheer going up in the crowds, an eagerness to see the first glimpses of the Prime Minister as he arrives here for the celebrations. An exuberant welcome for Prime Minister Modi. The crowds are also waving and greeting him with great enthusiasm and cheer and taking pictures.
जबरदस्त उत्साह है यहाँ जनसमूह में। लगभग 1.25 लाख दर्शक और प्रधानमंत्री का आगमन, जोरदार स्वागत।
The Defence Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, just received the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, now being presented to the 3 service chiefs. General Bipin Rawat, Admiral Sunil Lamba and Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanoa. Also Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bhamre, Minister of State for Defence.
Moved in the crowd, rapturous cheering, boisterous enthusiasm that spread over the area of Rajpath.
The Prime Minister now meeting with some invitees in the VVIP enclosures, exchanging greetings with dignitaries and people from government, also from across the political spectrum, and eminent personalities and many others here today to celebrate Republic Day. Happy and welcoming faces, delighted to see Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and his arrival of course causing a lot of excitement and eagerness, with young children in particular thrilled as they all catch sight of him.
जबरदस्त उत्साह और जोश यहाँ राजपथ पर, और एक एक करके गण्यमान्य व्यक्तियों का राजपथ पर आगमन हो रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए और यहाँ विशिष्ट व्यक्तियों से मिलते हुए।
Prime Minister Modi meeting with members of the delegation who've come along with the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi.
The personnel of the regiment are handpicked, all of them at least 6 feet tall. Besides performing ceremonial duties for the President, the officers and men of the bodyguard are trained horsemen, paratroopers and tankmen. The regiment has seen action at Trishul in 1962, in the Western Theatre in 1965, and in Operation Power in Sri Lanka in 1988. The men of the bodyguard have also distinguished themselves on humanitarian duties in Somalia, Angola and Sierra Leone.
The Vice President of India, Mr. Muhammad Ansari, will be here shortly, and so the Prime Minister and Defence Minister already in anticipation of welcoming him here, and the overpowering presence of the national flag lining both the sides of Rajpath, and the beauty of the vista with exuberant audiences on both sides.
बेमिसाल हैं, इस बात से सारी दुनिया वाकिफ है।
Rajpath has come alive.
The Vice President of India, Mr. Mohammad Ansari, being greeted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he arrives here at Rajpath.
उपराष्ट्रपति श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी का आगमन, उनकी अगवानी की प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने। उपराष्ट्रपति के साथ उनकी पत्नी श्रीमती सलमा अंसारी। एक एक करके यहां गण्यमान्य व्यक्तियों का आगमन। प्रोटोकॉल के मुताबिक ये कार्य बड़ी ही कुशलता और दक्षता के साथ किया जाता है। और स्वागतम की धुन संकेत है कि भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति प्रणब मुखर्जी पधारने वाले हैं। उनके साथ आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि अबू धाबी के युवराज महामहिम शेख मोहम्मद बिन जायद अल नहयान हैं।
An integral part of all state functions, these are the first images in the distance of the President's bodyguard. Leading the bodyguard, the Commandant, Colonel Bomanda Dheeraj Chengappa, escorting the President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, and our chief guest, His Highness the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The second in command, Lieutenant Colonel Dhananjay Harsh David, and the two ceremonial escort divisions led by Risaldar Major Gokul Singh and Risaldar Ravinder Singh, and the regimental colours carried by Risaldar Baljit Singh. The President and the chief guest being welcomed and greeted by crowds on either side. A closer view now as the cars slow down as they approach the saluting base. The presence of Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan as chief guest today is surely one of the most significant highlights of His Highness's 3-day visit to India. The Gulf nation is among the top investors in India in terms of foreign direct investment and has a vibrant Indian community with 2.6 million Indians, forming the largest expatriate group in the UAE. President Pranab Mukherjee waving to the crowds. We can see first glimpses of him and the chief guest. President Pranab Mukherjee and His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan being received and welcomed
Ladies and gentlemen,
by Prime Minister Narendra Modi,
accompanied by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, has arrived. The President of India and the chief guest being received by the Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister thereafter is introducing the Defence Minister, Sri Manohar Parrikar.
and now being presented to the Defence Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, General Bipin Rawat,
General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Sunil Lamba,
Admiral Sunil Lamba,
Virendra Singh Dhanwar, and the Defence
and Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanwar.
It is indeed proud and privileged to have in our midst His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi. A graduate from the Royal Military Academy Standards, United Kingdom, he is also the Deputy Supreme Commander of the United Arab Emirates Armed Forces. He has also held a number of roles in the UAE military, from an officer in the Marine Guard.
India extends a very warm welcome to the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, who is also the Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces. He's held a number of roles in the UAE military, from that of an officer in the elite UAE security force to that of a pilot with the UAE Air Force.
Moving up the steps of the saluting dais, escorted by the 280 Squad Leader Yash Arya, Indian Air Force, Major R.K. Balachandra, Indian Army in ceremonial gate, followed close behind by the Prime Minister, the Defence Minister, the Minister of Naval Defence and the three service chiefs. Today, 21 tons salute will be given by the two-way,
The President waving to the crowds on either side, greeting all our dignitaries as they ascend the stairway leading to the presidential enclosure, from where they'll view the Republic Day parade on Rajpath this morning.
Specifically bedecked in aesthetic grandeur. In a short while from now, the Commandant President's bodyguard will give the word of command for the national salute, which will be accompanied by unfurling of the national flag
And any minute now, the Commandant of the President's bodyguard will give his word of command. The national anthem will be played, the national flag unfurled, and 21 guns will boom in salute.
Rashtrapati Amrapsha!